All right, so ladies and gentlemen, this is one video that I just made. I'm gonna make another point here again. So after we read the question, Brady and three friends went to lunch at Mazio's Pizza. Their meal cost $32, and they left a 15% tip. How much was the total bill including tip? Record your answer and fill in the bubbles on the box below. Be sure to use the correct place value. So after we read, we circle our R. Then we go to underline the question. So how much was the total bill including tip? So we underline the U. Now we're going to label and annotate. This means that we're going to circle our numbers, and then we're going to box our key terms, keywords. So I boxed total bill and including tip. Why did I box total bill and including tip? Words like including and total are key terms that tell us that we're going to add. And then we're going to combine the tip plus the cost of the meal. So now we're going to go to labeling. Okay, now we label, again, the tip is 15%. So we write, after we circle the 15%, we write above that, that's the tip. And then we also indicate that we're going to multiply that by, well, the tip, we're going to convert that from a percentage to a decimal. We have to convert 15% to 0.15. So a decimal of 0.15 is equal to 15% because it's 15% of 100. Their meal cost is $32, okay? So now we multiply 32 by 0.15. 5 times 2 is 10. We carry the 1. 5 times 3 is 15. Plus the 1 carried over from the 10 is 16. Put a 0 in the hundredths place. Then we go over to the tenths place. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 3 is 3. Now we're going to combine these. 0 plus 0 is 0. 6 plus 2 is 8. 1 plus 3 is 4. Okay? So now we're going to get $32 plus $4.80 is $36.80. All right? So $36.80, we're going to indicate that's positive. $36 and then 80 cents. Now, in this instance, this person here multiplied 32 by 0.15. 5 times 2, they got 10. That's correct. And then they did 5 times 3, which is 15, plus 1 is 16. That's right. Then they put a 0 in the hundredths place. 1 times 2, this person put 4. I don't know what this person's doing, but where 1 times 2 is equal to 4, I'm not sure why they would put that. 1 times 2 is clearly 2, and then 1 multiplied by 3 is clearly 3. So I'm not sure where they got 140 from. So I'm going to circle this, put a question mark here, because I'm not sure what they're doing. Obviously, 1 multiplied by 2 is 2. 1 multiplied by 3 is 3. And then they tried to divide 3 by 300. So in this case here, this is very weak concept. Okay? Another thing that I'm noticing here, this is the evaluation process. Another thing I'm noticing here is that okay, so there's a weak concept, and then this is a weak process. Okay? And this answer is not accurate. Okay? So the answer is not accurate, so this is just going to get an X. All right, this is just going to be crossed off. Okay? None of this is right. Okay? All right, none of this is right. So concept's weak. This is not an accurate answer, and whatever math that they're trying to do here is incorrect. All right? I hope that this helps, ladies and gentlemen.